Most people never reach 10% body fat, not because they can't, but because they don't follow a plan. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step blueprint to cut down to 10% body fat. No starvation, no endless cardio. Let's break it down. Step 1. Know where you're starting. You can't hit 10% without knowing your current body fat. Use a DEXA scan if you can. If not, use a body fat calculator, calipers, or even a smart scale. A rough estimate is better than guessing. Step 2. Set a realistic timeline. Aim to lose around 1% of your body weight per week. If you're 200 pounds at 20% body fat, you'll need to lose around 20 pounds of fat to hit 10%. That's about 16 to 20 weeks of consistent cutting. Slow and steady wins this race. Step 3. Create a calorie deficit. Use a TDEE calculator to estimate your maintenance calories, then reduce by 15 to 20%. Eat high protein, about 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Track your macros using apps like MyFitnessPal or Carbon Diet Coach. And don't crash diet, keep it sustainable. Step 4. Prioritize resistance training. Lifting heavy keeps your muscle while you lose fat. Train at least 3 to 6 times per week. Focus on compound movements, like squats, deadlifts, rows, and presses. Cardio burns calories, but lifting preserves the lean physique you're chasing. Step 5. Add cardio but do it smart. Start with low to moderate intensity cardio a few times a week. Walking, incline treadmill, cycling, whatever you'll stick to. You can sprinkle in 1 or 2 height sessions per week if your recovery allows. But remember, cardio supports the cut. It doesn't replace diet. Step 6. Track and adjust. Weigh yourself daily and take weekly averages. Watch your waist, strength levels, and energy. If fat loss stalls for 2 to 3 weeks, drop calories slightly or add cardio. And always listen to your body. Hunger, poor sleep, and fatigue are warning signs. Bonus tips to finish strong. Stay hydrated. Get at least 7 hours of quality sleep. Manage your stress levels. And don't be afraid to use refeeds or diet breaks when needed. They help restore hormones and keep you sane. Getting to 10% isn't magic. It's math and consistency. Follow this plan, trust the process, and the results will come. Drop your current body fat percentage and your goal in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. This is RushFit, the muscle method.